e vi mettete con la relazione. Vous devez être votre devoir avec nous. Parce que votre victoire de vendredi agréable au lycée, dans le cœur parfait de ces financières de rendement national. Moi, à ce que la télé, c'est que la représentante commerciale, mon personnel, on partait dans le pour la mouvance de l'électricité dans les bras. Pour la participation de la on parle de la I know. You think you're right, but they know.
You're listening to WSRS 1580
Yeah, so yeah, about the bottom of the tower fan of Holmes. Yeah, these buttons, you keep doing this itself, like, um, yeah, so, I guess the water must be gotten here, and then, yeah, it starts to mess up the buttons. No wonder you keep, changing this fan speed itself, you know, yeah. Yeah, I have no idea why it's doing that. Let's see, um, yeah, I just have to take off the, this thing to see what's going on with it because the fans speeds always keep changing it after I turn it on. Um, oh, my camera can't focus. Yeah, it must be the water, I guess. So I guess that's why it's doing that. Yeah. Alright, that's about it. Thank you for watching. Over and out. Peace.